guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. Today's video is very exciting, maybe not for you, but for me and everybody else who loves watching cleaning videos, because that's what this is. Today's video is not sponsored by thredUP whatsoever. The last time that I deep cleaned my closet, I realized that I am a slight hoarder. And I don't like to get rid of things, especially things that I bought and wore either like once or none at all. Then I'm like, oh, I just wasted $20 on that stupid shirt that I never wore. So I'm gonna keep it until I wear it once. Well, guess what? It's been 6 months and you still haven't worn this. It's been 4 years, you still can't fit into this. And I just think that's a sign that I need to go through my closet and clean it out. Alright, so this time around when I'm going to be cleaning up my closet, I'm going to do something a little different that I didn't do last time that I wish I did. I cut up a bunch of pieces of paper and then hole punched them. And essentially what I'm going to do is when I go through this rack of clothes, anything that I just still want to hold on to, I'm gonna put a pink tag around it, and in 6 months time or whenever I clean out my closet next for like spring cleaning, if this tag is still on the piece of clothing, I will have to get rid of it, no questions asked. Hopefully this will diminish my hoarding capabilities, but we'll see. Another reason I wanted to do this video at this time is because new year, new me, you know? And I feel like it's just a good restart to go through all my things and really clean them out and see what I actually need and use versus what's just been sitting here for probably since the beginning of high school, if I'm being completely honest. I think I should just start going through stuff, and the keep stuff will just go back on the shelf, and then anything I definitely want to get rid of is just coming off and going on the floor. I have not shopped at Abercrombie & Fitch probably since maybe before high school. So, as Marie Kondo says, this piece gave me a lot of joy, but I think it's time for it to go. As cute as it is, I think it's time for it to go. Alright, another thing. These tops as well from PacSun were some of my favorites. But first of all, they look so tiny that they're not even gonna fit me. And I've also realized I don't like wearing halter tops for 2 reasons. One, you can't hide a bra strap. And my girls are larger than a lot, and I don't know, I just feel like halter tops with big boobs, I personally don't like the way my body looks in them. So we're just gonna kiss them goodbye. Bye. Alright, continuing. Wear you at some point, I see. This one I wore for Christmas 3 years ago, and that is it. Wore it for Christmas, and that is it. And I don't know why, but for some reason this like screams Asian to me, and I'm Japanese, so I can say that. But I feel like, I don't know, like the red and like the flower detail just feels very like Japanese to me. I am just not one to wear red. Like, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, you guys, so this is the progress. This is so far what I'm keeping. A lot of this stuff is like, not that one, but like this shirt and like some of the striped shirts. I just feel like these would be good for work, and I'm starting my internship next semester, so I feel like these shirts, although I don't wear them often, like I feel like this is like a really good, just like cute work shirt, you know what I mean? So that's what we're going to be keeping those. And then these are just some nice dresses that some of them like I have yet to wear. Like literally one, I have not worn that one once. I have not worn this one or this one yet, but I swear I'm going on a date and I'm going to wear it. But for now, this is the pile I think I'm just going to say goodbye to, because half of these clothes are just really old, and like I literally don't remember the last time I wore half of these shirts. We're going to fold these all up and say goodbye. This dress is from Forever 21, and it still has the tag on it. Come on, Kayla. What were you thinking? Is it cute and like fun? Yeah. Never wore it. Don't know when I would wear it, so goodbye. Throwback to I think like 2016 18 maybe when I wore this dress in a video, and it was so cute. Now that I have all of the hanger clothes folded up, I'm going to start just putting it all in the bag to make it real so I can get rid of it. And then I'm going to go through these drawers back here and these here, which are mostly like underwear, bras, swimsuits, stuff like that, old t-shirts, but we're going to do it. Honestly, the first time that I did thread up, my bag fits so much stuff in it. So this is nothing. Like, I need to do a lot more than just this. Like, this is an old long sleeve shirt from Brandy Melville, and I kept it for the longest time, even though it was so uncomfy. Like, I feel like it was made with like wool or something that's, whatever the itchy material people make clothes out of, they used it and I don't like it and it sucked. Also, this top was from the Shein video. It was very cute, but the way the seam on the arm is just so weird and uncomfortable, so bye. Also, I got this baby doll dress from Toby. Again, has a tag on it still, and I just feel like I'm a little too old to be wearing like a, I don't know, little baby doll dress, so, you know, hopefully it'll go to good use for somebody else. Alright, so far so good. In this drawer, and then I think oh, nope. And then this one and this one, I just have a bunch of random dresses that I know I need to get rid of because I don't think I'm gonna wear them ever again. So sorry. This dress, I think the last time I wore it was in high school as an announcer for a dance day, and I've never worn it since. I'm gonna be Barbie for Halloween this year and wear the dress, but did I ever wear the hot pink dress this year? No, so I don't know why, but I feel like the fact that I'm filming this declutter, it's making me a lot more motivated to throw stuff away, because I don't want to put out a 10-minute video of me cleaning my closet and then I throw away 2 things. That would just be embarrassing. Let's throw stuff away. Donate, not throw away. Donate. Let's see. Yeah, this long dress wore for like a Christmas party in 2015. Last photo I took of it was with my ginger ex-boyfriend. Nope. Bye. Bye-bye. Also, this dress. This dress is really cute. Am I gonna wear this one? That one's a maybe. This one here. Do I hate the top on this one? Is this the one I hate the top on? Wait. No, maybe this one's okay. I'm trying to think of cruise vibes. Do I keep this because I might go on a cruise, even though I have no cruise plans in mind? Maybe, I don't know. Also, this one and this one I also wore in that same video with the other flower dress, but again, wore it then, never again. This I wore a year ago for Christmas, but this I think I'm going to keep just because it's so soft and comfy. These 2 Christmas dresses, this one I don't think I'm skinny enough anymore to fit into it. And this one, I don't know if I would wear it anymore. I just think I'm a little too old for it, and it looks like a t-shirt. This looks so little. Should I try it on? Should I see if these 2 fit? Let's see if I can ruin my self-esteem tonight. Alright, there's literally no point in me taking my leggings off for this. As cute and tight and sexy it is, I feel like my butt, yeah, my butt's like right there, so bye. This one, I don't think I can even show you because, let's just say I've grown in places and the mesh does not cover those places anymore, so we're gonna get rid of it. Okay. I have a scandal. Oh, this would be a good thumbnail if I was just like, scandalous. Yeah, no. Well, we know that these don't fit, so. And they go. So I think the time has come to pull out my hot pink slip cards. I think the majority of where these pink slip cards are gonna go are on my like fancy dresses, because as much as I love like all these floral fun long dresses, I haven't worn them since 2016 cruise, I think. So I feel like I should just put hot pink hangers on all of like my fancy dresses. If I don't have anything to wear them to, I should just get rid of them, because this one, as sexy as it is, and as much as I have altered it, I've not worn it. Are you still on there? Yeah, tag is still on, so. 1. Also, I kind of want to like color coordinate my hangers, but is that me just being OCD about it? I'm gonna do it. Okay. You know what I think I've realized, what I figured out is I need more people to start getting married so I can start going to weddings, so I can start wearing cute stuff like this. When am I gonna wear this? To a wedding? Duh. When could I wear this? I don't know. To a wedding? When can I wear this? To a wedding? Come on, people, start getting engaged. Then I'll have a reason to keep all this cute stuff. Like, this is so cute, but I need a place to wear it. Brands, trips, invite me somewhere so I can wear this cute stuff. Someone take me to Hawaii. I don't know. Something. Alright, as messy as this might look, I feel like I've made progress. There it is. There's the progress. Okay, here is the update. I ended up color coordinating everything and I think it looks so good. This looks so satisfying. Potential thumbnail, let me know. I don't know. But here are all of my dresses and kind of nicer outfits, and then from here on back are all of my tank tops and t-shirts that I don't want to fold because they're just, again, kind of like nicer material that'll get really wrinkly. So next up, oh no. All right. We're gonna put these on some of the pieces that I know I might not wear. So, oh gosh, okay, here we go. I feel like by the time I'm done putting all these papers on my clothes, that all of them are gonna be pink, and in 6 months' time, I'm gonna have to get rid of all of them, but it's okay. I can't do this one-handed, so we're gonna finish these now. Alright, the fact that I have like a handful of extra hangers, I think is a good sign that I did get rid of a handful of clothes, so I'm proud. Look at all these. Look at all these extra hangers. So I think we're making progress. I'm legit gonna drop all this, so. Oh, so much stuff. It's a little bit later now and I think I finished cleaning everything up. The floor is pretty spotless minus my suitcase that I brought from school and then my laundry basket, but everything else is pretty clean. It's all picked up. These are my pajamas for tonight, but I think overall it looks pretty good in here. Here's what the final thread up bag looks like. So I think there is a good amount of clothes in here, some with still price tags on them that I literally never wore, and then some pieces that will probably end up just getting donated straight away. But yeah, I think I'm proud of myself that I did that pretty quick. But I will link my ThredUp account down below if you want to shop whatever they choose to put up. I'm really impressed with myself that I was so able to quickly just get rid of things and not feel too attached to them. Thumbs up this video if you like cleaning and organization videos. I find them very therapeutic, but that's just me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.